In this video, how you can run the campaign. I'm just giving a kind of brief about once you buy the mailboxes, they will be automatically added to the sending profiles. You will be seeing all the sending profiles here, campaigns and sequences. This is where you can create the campaign. Let me give you a brief, how you can understand the statistics from the campaigns which already delivered. This is the campaign which is delivered using our own pre-warmed up email boxes. So this is a main-based campaign. This another campaign. This is sequence 1 and sequence 2. If you click here, this email has any sequences. You can actually filter the statistics by selecting sequence, and you see the stats, how many delivered, how many opens, clicks and replays, unsubscribes and bounces, and you can see the detail log information. Just if you would like to see the detailed log information, just click on Open Log, and you can see the IP address from which IP they open, and the timestamp, all the details. And you can download them simply, or else you can select the From To Date and download. And if you would like to see the prospects that you got maps, like you can see on map, this is where you got the prospects. And the similar, like if you click here on the statistic, you have a sequences running, and you can actually filter the data by sequence, and you see the stats getting changed. This is how you can check the statistics. You have a campaigns you want, hide some campaigns and then select it, and then hit the archives. This campaign will go to the archives where you can access all the campaigns. Click on Create Campaigns. So you have two ways to select the campaigns. One is if you have any SMTPs. This is where you can select the SMTP. Or you can choose the sendcrux mailboxes or workspace or Office 365. Because if, say example, you have all these mailboxes and SMTPs in your sending profiles, so you get confused which one you want to select, and rather before you start the running campaign, you know that which you want to select. You can select multiple here the mailboxes, but if you select the SMTP, this will be unselected. So either you can go with the mailboxes or the SMTP. So right now, I want to go with the sendcrux box. Then it's a simple editor. It has a simple text editor. So for B2B outreach, B2C is a different. I will walk you through how B2B and B2C works. Let's first see the B2B. Say click here and then choose the data you want. So just select the segments and then click on Save Next. Here, one important thing that I would like to discuss is if you select a segment, the emails will be delivered to only this segment, not the parent list, because you wanted send emails to only the segment, not the parent list. So here we have a 6,800, but it's going to deliver the emails to 2,269 prospects. Just save and next. So give a title like example campaign, and then you can have welcome. So here you can see which server is occupied and which servers keep sending. It's fine even it shows the server is occupied or something. Just click here and select all the sendcrux box mailboxes, and you can actually assess which mailbox is doing extremely good and all. And also, you can see per day how many emails is going to send this mailbox. So this is having 55% open rate, average click rate 3.9, and then bounces is this. So wherever you find any mailbox is not doing good, then reduce the fitness. What do you mean by fitness? Fitness is something you have two mailboxes you want to deliver 100 emails. So when you have a fitness 100, then it is going to deliver the emails equally. When you have a 20 and 100, it's going to deliver 80% emails through this and 20% emails from this. So that's how it works. So fitness will define how many emails should go from the A specific mailbox. If you give a fitness is 0, no email will be delivered. If you have any doubt about this campaign, bones limit is at 3% or 4% or 5%. So the moment when it arrives at the 3% bones rate, the campaign will pause automatically. So no emails will go from this camping, and it tracks the opens, clicks, DKM, and all this stuff. You can add any custom tracking domain if you wish, and you can connect the data to the hub. And if you would like to warm up this campaign using your seed list, so you can enable this one. If you want to have a reply to specific email address, and then you can give a specific email address, or else you can simply click here so that emails will go to the respective mailbox that you created. Then hit the Save on Next. This is where you have editor. You can use the AI. Also, you can tell the AI, write the email to sell email marketing. Services should be in 4 lines. So it's going to generate the email content. It's a simple. So just click the insert, and then since we don't need a subject, remove the subject, and then these tags are wrong. So you just need to make sure these tags are replaced by the tax. Here you can find the tax first name, and then this is a sending server. So we have a sending server tags also here. So you can find the server name. So it takes the server name by default from here. So here you can find the tags. We have a meetings here, even meeting tags. Links also you can find here. Everything you can see here. Okay? And then save and next. Make sure when you're copying camping, make sure that the date is not the old one, and make sure the start date and the according to your time zone. This is delay between each email sent by the server, so you can mention the seconds, 10 seconds, or 20 seconds, per hour rate and per day limit. Say example, 10,000 prospects, but you want to deliver them 500, not more than that. In this case, you can use this. You just enable this. It delivers 500 emails per day. Scheduling time. You don't need to enter the schedules every time when you're creating your campaign. So here we have saved templates. When you access them, it will fill automatically all of the stuff. Then you can select the time zone that you want to deliver the emails. Here maximum, you can select the 3 time zone, where you can have an email subject and all other stuff. And you can see the template, and we can have ad operations. We will discuss in detail about how these ad operations can be worked. If any email open, and then we can move to the or copy, move, delete that email, and move that email to a predefined list. And then we can create A/B testing if we wish, and add new sequences. We can create a new sequence. Here, we can see a preview of the template, and if you want to change the template, you just simply edit here, the template. And then, if you want to change the server, we can change the server from here. And if you want to add operations, that you can add operations. So this is how you can keep adding as many sequences. To give you a kind of little understanding about this is a base campaign. If anybody opened this base campaign, an email will be sent after 1 day. This is the subject line, and you can have your own email template from here, and it will keep checking this condition next 3 days. Means in next 3 days, if anybody opened the email after 1 day, 24 hours, it will be receiving. That prospect will be receiving sequence 1. Click save and next. And then you can see that all the, response, how many you have, and this is very important. Schedules after 3 minutes. And then hit the preview. You see the preview. This is the email. Basic email preview, only you can see here. So you can see all the tags working fine. And then preview as, if you want to cross-check this preview, how it looks. Don't send the test emails. That's going to damage your server reputation. Rather, here, if you click, we will be showing you how it's going to look like to a specific contact. This is a specific contact, Alicia Palmer. And then if you see, this is how it looks for that prospect. And then just hit the send. That's it. So your campaign will start running. So this is how to create campaign sequences for B2B. Thanks for watching.